Good morning, dear student. Today I'll discuss with you your second chapter of chemistry, sorting materials into groups. This is your first part of chemistry. Okay, so let's get started. Now, beta, in a library, you see a large number of books. Are all these books of the same types? No, na? So the books are on different subject there. Okay, like English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science, and so on. Within a subject also there are books of different authors and publishers. How are such a large number of books arranged in a library? वो जो library में इतनी सारी books रखी होती हैं, वो arrange किस way में करी होती है बेटा? So the books are arranged subject wise. Okay, the books are arranged there subject wise. For example, English books are arranged together in one section. Science books in another section. Okay, so thus English books may further be arranged as fiction or non-fiction. Within a given subject, the books may also be arranged author-wise. Okay, so beta, in this situation, how can we define this? How can we manage the substances there? So how can we define the systematic arrangement? The systematic arrangement of things on the basis of certain similarities or differences is called sorting or classification. Okay, for similarities means there help us to arrange things in the same groups. Similarities जहाँ पे होंगी तो वहाँ पे हम जब books होंगी अगर same है उनकी similarities हैं उनमें तो उनको क्या रखेंगे a same in a same group. Okay, or differences it means help us to arrange things into separate group. Now, sorting on the basis of materials things are made of. Depend करता है कि वो किस material से form हुए हैं. For example, first thing here, plastic bottles, glass jars, steel containers, wooden drums, and earthen pitcher. The plastic, glass, steel, wood, and soil are the materials used to make these things. So beta. So there is some points. First of all, an object can be made from different kinds of materials. An object can be made from different kinds of materials. For example, a bag may be made of cloth, leather, rubber or plastic. तो वो different materials से बने हुए हैं तो उनको आप different group में रखेंगे. Okay. The second point here. A material can be used to make different kinds of things. A materials can be used to make different kinds of things. For example, plastic can be used to make toys, bags, chairs and tables. तो इस basis पे भी आप substances का group form कर सकते हैं. Now, third one here. Some substances or some objects are made from more than one type of materials. Obviously, some substances are there. They are made from more than one type of material. For example, metal, rubber, plastic, and other materials are required to make a bicycle. Okay, bicycle means list of various things that made of more than one materials. So also some materials use in it. Okay, so beta so there are different materials. We make object with these materials. Okay, but how do we decide which materials to use for making an object? So this is your first part of this chapter. Okay, so thank you class.